Next in Scratch, we are going to create a project in which this cat sprite is going to follow our mouse pointer. So this is our cat sprite. We can take any sprite, but I have taken this cat sprite. Whenever I click this green flag, this cat is going to follow this mouse pointer. So I'm clicking here, this flag, and here we can see that cat has started following the mouse pointer. Now whenever I click this green flag, it will stop. So how to create this in Scratch? Here we are going to take our cat sprite. So this sprite I have taken here. Now we'll go to events, and in events, whenever green flag is clicked, then we have to provide movement to this cat, and that movement should be continuous. For that we have to go to control, and in control we are provided with this forever loop. So whatever code we'll write inside this forever will continue, it will not stop. So we have to provide movement to this cat. So we'll go to motion, and in motion move 10 steps. This thing is going to move cat 10 steps. If we put 5 here, then that movement will be little slow. And here instead of 5, if we put 50, it will be little more fast. As of now, I'm putting here 10 only. So whenever I click this, we can see the cat has started its movement. Now what we want, that cat should move towards this mouse pointer. So here in motion we can see that we are provided with an option point towards mouse pointer. So we'll bring it here. Now whenever I click this green flag, the cat will move towards this mouse pointer only. It will, or we can say that it will start chasing the mouse pointer. So here I'm clicking this button, and here we can see that cat is chasing this mouse pointer. Now we can convert this thing to a game by adding a score variable. So we'll go to variable, and in variable we are provided with my variable. We have to check it right. Initially my variable value is score. What we want, that whenever this cat touches this mouse pointer while following it, variable value should convert from 0 to 1. For the second time if it touches, it should be 2, like that. And along with that, it should be making meow sound. So for that, we'll go to events control again, and in control we are provided with if then else block. In this hexagon we have to put condition. So for that, our condition should be when the cat touches the mouse pointer, then that time this variable value should increase 1 from 0. So we'll go to sensing, and in sensing we are provided with this block touching mouse pointer. So whenever it touches mouse pointer, that time it should be creating a sound. So for that we will go to sounds, and in sounds we are provided with start sound meow. So we'll bring it here. Another thing we were thinking were about to do was, we have to increase the variable value by 1 if it touches this mouse pointer. So for that we'll go to variables again, and in variables we are provided with change my variable by 1. So we'll drag it here. So what our condition becomes, if touching mouse pointer, then this cat should be creating meow sound, and variable value should increase by 1. And one more thing, we have to set this variable to 0 at the end of the game. So I'm bringing this block here. This much is enough. Now whenever I click this green flag, we can see that our cat has started following the mouse pointer. Now whenever it touches the mouse pointer, cat will be creating meow sound, and that variable, my variable value will increase 1. It will become 1 from 0. So now here we can see that it is making meow sound, and as many times it will touch, it will, score variable value will increase by 1. So right now we can see that our score variable value is 125. Now it is 144, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, 44, So this cat is following our mouse pointer.